What we do is build templates, reports, any kind of applications that you need in your business. You tell us what your business needs are, and then we create a custom designed application for you. So today I'm really excited about the newest application that we've built. It relates to logistics companies, anybody who needs to schedule trips for certain vehicles, pick up at one location, drop off at another. Traditionally, what most logistics companies would do is they'll have a board against the wall where they have all their trucks on, and they'll go and mark X's, this is booked and this is not booked. So the problem with having this board is the possibility of errors. Once there's human intervention involved, the possibility is there that you're going to get something wrong. Then also, this board is at a specific place in your company, so you'll need to walk to the board to see. There's no visibility from the whole team about who is where, and you'll sometimes have missing information on that board. So that is what we were trying to achieve in digitizing, essentially, this board, and we used Microsoft Excel to do that. So we call it our digital load planner. The functions that it includes is to make bookings for trips firstly, and then secondly, to schedule those bookings to pick up at a certain place and date and time, etc. What they can also do is consolidate different bookings into one trip. If you don't have a full 36 tons, you have 10 tons, 12 tons here to make one trip out of that. Another function that is specifically important now in this time of COVID and travel restrictions is to work with relay trips, where you would take off your trailers, put them on another horse and another driver to continue the rest of the trip. And then, of course, any logistics companies has a time when they need to book services and downtime or leave, even quarantine these days for their drivers. So that function is included as well, where you can essentially block out a certain time for a vehicle or a driver and so forth. So you as the user would essentially program your own locations, route areas where you usually work, as well as the details of your trucks, your drivers and so forth. So this program becomes your own. You personalize it for yourself. And that actually brings me to another benefit. We are a Namibian consulting firm. This is a program built for the Namibian transport industry. So it's already customized to your specific requirements as Namibian businesses, but Excel is fully customizable. So whatever you want to change, you give us a call and we make the changes necessary. Why are we using Excel as a base? Firstly, there's no annual license fees other than your normal office use, which you normally already have. And secondly, it's a familiar program to most users, so it should be user-friendly. Then if we're going to look into further expansion possibilities, once you have this digital load planner in place, what could be the benefits going forward? Firstly, this helps you collect data of all your trips. There's a wealth of business knowledge in data, but very often it's not used because it's not analyzed properly or it's not available to be analyzed. So this program will help you to build that up over time. Then we can also look at integrating this program with your accounting system to ensure that your invoicing are done automatically. One big benefit of this program is it'll show you what loads are completed, but what is not invoiced, so that you make sure you do not miss invoicing a load. Another function I'm excited about is we could integrate this with fleet management software that Excel and Exceed can also provide. Would help you to actually schedule your service time and so forth better, because you know what is due for service and so forth. We'll also be looking at empty trips. You don't want your truck to be running empty, but sometimes you need to schedule a trip just to get your truck back at base. Now you have a function to draw a report of what are your empty trips, and you have this list to give to your business development consultant or whoever to go and look for trips to fill, loads to fill this trip with.